Hello student, today we are going to discuss about NCERT example problem class 9 physics is 11th chapter 4th problem we are going to discuss. Okay, actually book answer they are taken approximate value. I am going to today teach you how to get with the accurate value for the this problem. Okay, it's 11th chapter example problem class 9 physics we are going to discuss. It is from walk energy power class 9 physics from NCERT solution we are going to do. Okay, first we will see given data. Okay, the mass of the object is 1500 which is given in the question. 1500. Okay, initial velocity is given as a 30 kilometer per hour. Final velocity 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, they asked what is a kinetic change in kinetic energy. This is a question. Okay, now one by one I am going to teach you kinetic energy formula of mv square. Actually they asked what is change in kinetic energy. Okay, is equal to kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial. So for kinetic energy formula is how much of mv square. So change in kinetic energy will get as a of m v square final velocity minus of m u square initial velocity. Of m is common, you can take it outside. Of m is common, v square minus u square, this is called change in kinetic energy. So now what is the initial velocity? 30 km per hour. What is final velocity? 60 km per hour. 30 km per hour is initial velocity. Always you should do the problem MKS system, meter kilogram second. So which is the problem is not in a SI unit. First you should convert as a SI unit. Initial velocity 30, final velocity 60 km per hour. Both you should convert as a meter per second. First initial velocity 30, 1 kilometer is how many meter? 1000 meter. 1 hour is how much second? 60 minute into 60 second. So this is the initial velocity, and 60 kilometer is called 60,000 meter, and 1 hour is 3600 second. 60 into 60. Okay, now just a common simple cancellation you can do. Okay, here 0 0 2 0 get cancelled. 10 into 30 300 divided by 6 into 6 36. Okay, meter per second. Okay, you don't do further cancellation because the problem will become little complex. Okay, here 0 0 get cancelled. So 600 divided by 36 because 6 into 6 36 meter per second. Initial velocity also I got, final velocity also I got. Okay, so initial velocity 30 kilometer per hour I got as 300 divided by 36 meter per second. Final velocity 60 km per hour I got as 600 divided by 36 meter per second. Okay, now changing kinetic energy. What is changing kinetic energy formula? Of m v square minus of m u square. Okay, now the next step substitution. Of m you can take it common outside. Of times of m v square minus u square, this is a formula. What is m? 1500 already I told you, which is given in the question. What is v? 600 divided by 36. Okay, this is going to be called as a whole square, minus 300 divided by 36 whole square. Okay, very simple calculation only. Okay, here 1500 mass. So first thing I am going to cancel the value. Okay, what is that I am going to do now? 1500 divided by 2. 1500 divided by 2. Exactly half of 1500. 750 kg. Okay, mass is 750. So now here what I am going to get now? Slowly you can do 60 into 60. 600 into 600 2 times. Denominator 36 into 36. 2 square times no 36 into 36. Minus 300 into 300 divided by 36 into 36. Slowly you can do the calculation. I made it, the calculation part is very simple. Okay, because you can take it common term, then it will be very easy. Okay, so see here 750 Denominator, what is denominator? 36, common 36, you can take it outside. Common 36, you can take it outside. 36 I am taken outside. What is here? 600 into 600. Okay, 600 into 600 minus 300 into 300. Okay, even more you can make it as a very simple equation. Okay, see here, 750. Here 2 times 36, common LCM 36 into 36. 36 into 36, commonly I am taken from both the place. Okay, now here no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Okay, so 10 power plus 4 you can take it. 10 power plus 4. 6 into 6, 10 power plus 4. Otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Into 3 into 3 into 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. So common, this 2 is common, you can take it outside. Okay, this will be help you to do the calculation, very simple method. 750 into 1000 divided by 60, 36 into 36, then 6 into 6, 36, because this 2 multiplication 36, this 2 multiplication will be 9. Okay, 9 minus 36, we can have 27. Okay, next step we can have the 27. So next step, so changing kinetic energy I am calculating. Okay, book answer little bit wrong here. They are taken approximate value. I am calculating now accurate value. Okay, 36 into 36 into 1000. Sorry, 10,000, because 40 will be there. 36 minus 9, 27 will get. Okay, now what I can do next to know? Just a cancellation. See here, 3 tables 9 times. Here 3 tables 12 will come. Again 3 tables, here 12 will come. Okay, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Okay, 12 will get. Again 3 tables, here 4 will get. Okay, remaining 750 into 100040 divided by 12 into 4. Next step, simple cancellation only. Okay, this I am making as a 100 into 100. Okay, so see here, the next step, 750 into 100 into 100 divided by 12 into 4. Again I am going with the 12 table, 3 tables. Okay, this is called 4 times 3 table. 4 into 3 will be 12. Okay, this will be 2 times and 5 times 250, 3 tables. Okay, so 250 into 3 will get 750. Okay, now here I am cancelling 2 tables. Here 50 will get. Again I cancel, 1 will get, 25 will get. Okay, here 4 is there. Okay, 4 if you are using cancellation, 2 tables, 2 will be there. 1, 2, 1, 5, 125. Next step, this 2 and this 100 will get cancelled, 50. Okay, now all the remaining answer I am going to write. What is the remaining answer now? 125 into 25 into 50. Okay, these are the remaining answer. 125, 25 into 5, 125 into 0 will be there. That is called changing kinetic energy. Okay, now 125 into 125. Yeah, one more 0 will be there. 125 into 125 will get the answer. 5, 5, 25, 10, 12, 5, 6. Then 0, 1, 4, 5, then 2. Then 5, 2, 1. 5, 2, 1, 5, 1. Again here 1, 0 will be there. Okay, so changing kinetic energy without doing any approximate answer, 15125 0 joules we can get. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe.